Good morning, beautiful. What is up? I am Zosha Outlaw, if you didn't fucking know. So today I'm just gonna be showing you guys my everyday makeup. My hair and brows are already done, but I just thought I would come on and show you guys pretty much the makeup that I wear every day. You know, this is like a super simple matte natural beat. So I'm just gonna be doing that today. I have some bay leaf tea, if you guys know what bay leaf is. Fresh bay leaves, not the dry ones, but yeah, just hot water and bay leaves. So I normally like to take tea in the morning. I am gonna be uploading like my morning routine really soon, so stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and get into this makeup. So yes, girl. Okay, the next thing I do is I go in with my foundation. I love using this foundation right now. This is NARS in the color Macao Medium Deep, number 4. So what I'm gonna do today is actually use a sponge because my brushes are a little bit dirty and I need to cleanse them. So I'm taking my sponge, okay, and I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. I put about this much on the back of my hand. What I love about this NARS foundation is that it is buildable and also you don't need a lot. It is full coverage. Also remember to get like your neck area a little bit because you don't want it to be you know, a different color. And I just like to touch in the middle of my eyebrows right here. It helps give me like that gradient effect with the brow. So the next thing that I like to do, you guys, is actually my concealer. So for concealer today, we are going to be using this NYX product. This is by NYX. It is their Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. So yes, girl, this is in the color Warm Honey. This is actually, I think, my favorite shade by them. I've tried a few different shades, but this one is in Warm Honey. So you guys can see how I start my concealer. I just kind of start at the side of my nose and I drag it out. But then I like to bring the concealer right along the side of my nose bridge to help give me a more snatched appearance on my nose. Bring it right under the nose so the bottom of the nose can protrude, and then also again on this side, just kind of shape out our nose bridge, if you will, okay? And I just like to give a little highlight right there. Okay? So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in with my sponge. This is a really good tutorial as well because if you guys have like minimal tools, or if you just have like sponges or really inexpensive sponges from like the beauty supply store or something like that, these are really good, you know, sponges to use, and they're like really economical. You can find them all over. So I'm just gonna spray my beauty blender with my face mist. This is by She Makeup, and also just to let you guys know, I am going to use the same sponge. So you know, like I said, if you only have like one tool, you don't want to get too much on there. This is about as much as you need, and always give it a soft blow before you apply it to your face because it can become overwhelming. Not this formula in particular, but just any loose powder. And just give it a good press. Just stay right underneath the eye. Smile lines. And that's it. I like to press my powder in like all the way. For my deepest apologies, okay? I went ahead and finished my contour and I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. So let me just show you. Just stay as close to your nose bridge as possible and drag it up. I like to bring it in between the pit of my eyelid, and also again on the other side. Just stay close to the nose bridge. You guys see how I'm doing here, and then bring it into the eyelid. Okay, especially if you have eyelid like mine, mono eyelid. Okay, I'll show you the next step after this. But right now, the last step that I love is it gives this little button nose effect. So I'm just going to take it and make like that. Okay, like an upside down C. I don't know. Give a little bit of a curvature. If you really notice, we have a little bit of a circle. Yeah, girl, if you notice, we have a little bit of a circle around the tip of our nose. This just gives us the cutest little bunny nose effect. So I love doing that all the time. And then I just drag the contour also down my chin to give me like, you know, that Michael Jackson kind of contour. So I'm just going to take a little bit more of the product and just go in and give my eyelids a little bit of depth. Right into the crease of the brow, the eye. This is nothing difficult at all. Just give yourself, you know, it helps also blend the contour in, and it helps also diminish the effect of puffy eyelid. Okay, so our contour is done. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply some mascara. This is my favorite mascara ever. Okay, I don't care what anybody says. I've been using this for like, I don't know, years. So yeah, go ahead and coat your lashes really, really well with the mascara. Any one of your choice. You don't have to use the same one. Mascaras are, you know, kind of really a personal thing. I love this particular one because it doesn't clump, it doesn't get dried out for like no reason. It doesn't burn or sting my eyes. And if I ever have fallen asleep with my makeup on, this one is super easy to like wipe off in the morning. It doesn't get crusty and, you know, make a huge mess and all that stuff. You guys know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna take my all-time favorite lip pencil. This is LA Girl Colored Chocolate. I really love this lip pencil. I've been using it for like, I don't know, 3 years now, and it's still my favorite. So just give it a good little sharpen. You know, the DSP sharpener is more than good enough. Okay, you don't need like a fancy sharpener. And I don't really like to moisturize my lips before I do my, you know, my lipstick because everything gets too slippery, but I do overline my lips just a little bit. So I'm going to go, instead of, you know, where the natural line is on the inside, I'm just gonna go over a little bit, okay? Nothing too crazy. So you can see, instead of staying on the inside of the lip, I kind of went on the outside of the lip. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing at the top. Everything is looking super perfect right now. I'm really liking the way everything is looking. For my lip shade today, I think I'm gonna use this one. This is by Absolute New York. I just got this one recently in a haul. If you guys have seen me buy it, okay. This one is really pretty. I like the color. It's kind of like a, I think, yeah, the color is called Rosewood, so that's the color. So it's just kind of like a, I love nudie colors, okay? And remember not to go over the lip liner with the lipstick. This is why I love matte liquid lipsticks, especially the applicator, guys, okay? I have a very peculiar shape lip, so when I do the point at the top lips, you know, I have to be kind of careful. Like that, not to get on top of the liner. So that's the lips for today. I love matte lips, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna add any shine, but I probably will just to show you guys, because I do sometimes, not every day, but sometimes. So right now our face is looking super good. I am going to go ahead and add some lashes. If you have seen on my channel before, I do have a lash brand. My lash brand is called High Grade Lashes. These are the packaging. Okay, super dope with the ganja leaves in pink all over, and the eyes are fucking stoned, you already know. I actually ran out of like rolling papers today. That's why I'm not like burning a J with you guys. I have to go get some, and I didn't feel like using my bong or my pipe, so probably get stoned when I come back. Maybe I'll do a smoke with me video. You guys can comment below if that's something that you would like to watch with me. But anyways, I digress. So this one is in the style roll up. Okay, I don't think I mentioned, but yeah, this is in style roll up, and this is the glue that I currently use. It is a pretty good glue from Sassy. So we are going to apply our lashes right now. I think I do have like a lash application tutorial on my channel, but let me just show you guys super quick how easy it is. Because to be honest with you, I was one of those girls that didn't think I needed lashes, but I started practicing doing my lashes, and then I was like, I can't fucking do this. It's too hard. I can't get it close to the lash line. It was like 2 inches away from my fucking lash line. So, you know, it did take some practice, but now I'm a pro at it. Like, I know how to sit it wherever I want to lay. So let me just show you guys super quick. The trick is, okay, just tilt your mirror. Let me show you guys how I have my mirror. Make sure it's tacky. Okay, my glue is still a little bit wet, but that's fine because I know, you know, where I want it to lay and everything. So you're just gonna take the lash. I like to start at the inner corner on this side. Lay it down, okay, and take a break. And just make sure you get it at the corner on the outer. Now you can see there's a little bit of a space between my natural lash and the falsie lash. What I'm gonna do is in a second I'm just gonna pinch it together after the glue has kind of set. Tip, okay, bitch. That also gives you a mini eye lift. Okay. So I'm also starting on the inner corner here. You notice how I gave myself like a break. And just let it kind of fall naturally. And make sure you tack that outer corner down. Just make sure it's like down. Boom, you have your lashes. So yes, girl, I'm just coming to show to you how to pinch the lashes together. So now that my glue is for the most part set, not completely dry, I'm just going to pinch. You might get some glue on your hand, but make sure not to put your hand back. Just make sure like you clean your hand with a wipe or, you know, something. Also, I forgot to let you guys know, you don't need a whole lot of glue. Okay, you just need enough glue to like wet the, how you call it. See, I have a little bit of glue come off. That's okay. You just want to pinch them together to make it look seamless and uniform. Pinky pinch, okay? So yes, girl, like I was saying, you can just put a little bit in the center of the lip just to give it a little bit of softness. You don't have to put the whole lip, you know. So okay, I put almost the whole lip. So, but yeah, girl, this is the finished look. Let me go and get ready and I'll show you what we look like when we're all dressed. So yes, beautiful, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed doing my makeup with me. I will be doing more of these videos. Comment below what types of makeup looks you guys would like to see from me, but this is a soft, you know, everyday matte beat. You notice I didn't do any highlighter or anything. Now that I'm thinking about it, I didn't even like, you know, powder my face. It's just a really everyday look. After you put your foundation on and, you know, your loose powder, you really don't need to like powder, like cake up your face too much if it's just for everyday. I'm in love with this hair. If you guys like it, I will link the video below where I did an unboxing. I'll also link the video below where I did the install. So yeah, this is some really beautiful bomb ass hair from Amazon. Yes, girl. Okay, so that's it. Let me zoom in on the face a little bit so you guys can see. So that's what it looks like. That's what it's giving.